Talaga, put mommy's phone in her bag. OMG. Ayan, tapos tatawa-tawa siya. Why do you want to put mommy's phone here? There in your bag. I have my own bag. I can put in my bag. All right?
No.
What?
Put that.
But mommy I have my own bag. I can put my phone in my bag.
There, bag.
Of course, your phone there. Your phone in your bag. Mommy's phone in my bag. Night time na lang daw. Mamaya na lang daw pag-sleep, sabi niya. So cute naman talaga ni baby. Yeah, baby ka pa? Are you still baby? Let's Robinson na lang daw. Diba? Pag ganyan si Jasa pa, good mood, no? Kahit anong hingin mo sa kanya, sumusunod din niya. Ano naman?
No.
What's that? What's that? Glass? Ay, ano yan? Water? Freya, the water? Do you miss Freya? Do you miss her? Okay, drink all water. Sabang yung water. Mabay pa tayo. Okay, sige. Where's your bakers? Where's your bakers? You can speak without rubbing face, ha? Farm bagay baba, rice field. Na-excited dyan sa akala. With mommy? There's a boat there? Ay, talaga. Grabe. Super. Ay, boat. Namiss na dyan sa mag-boat. Nabuboat pa lang pagdating ni daddy niya galing sa Australia. Talaga. Dyan sa labs. Ay, buti pa mag-ano tayo. Boating again. Weekend. Mag-weekend mag-boating tayo. Ha? Only, boating. Hindi na mag-swimming. Napasakaw doon kay Tita Beach. Tita-tip siya pasakaw. Tita Beach. Saturday. Let's go find Baduya. Craving si Justin ng Baduya. Sabi mo baba, Baduya. Say the word Baduya. Yan mga old school. Ano pangalan niya? Parang sa old school talaga yan. Big school. Barangay Satellite Market pala. There we go. Ito po lang dahil. Barangay Karangka. Magaraw Camarines Sur. Multi-purpose building. I see. Karangka. Karangka pala yung parang laging bangka siya sa yung yung view. Curious masyado naman. There's a little girl walking with her mom. Tapos may dala pang dart. OMG.
What is that mountain? That mountain is called what is it called? The name of the mountain, Jasa? Yeah!
Wow!
You're gonna start university next year.
Ito yung view namin.
Okay, I wanna know. 1 plus 1 equals? How many? 1 plus 1 is? How many? How many? Yes. If you add 1 to 1, that makes what? It makes... What's the answer? Just add 1 plus 1 is...
1 plus 1 equals...
1 plus 1.
Oh. What? What? 2! Very good.
You know this 4 plus 4 is?
2 again. It's your favorite number.
Favorite number. 4 plus 4 is favorite number. How old are you? If I say 4 plus 4, you tell me your age. 4 plus 4, how old are you?
Question namin, kayo pa na nasumasagot. Para hindi siya mahirapan. Saan pa kayo yun? Basic life talaga yun. Mga mami talent, may mga ano din yun. Mga talent din mag-pretend na okay. Let's go. girls.
Yung
Look at
rider.
the girls. They're singing, they're dancing.
Natal ko yan.
They are
Ah,
dancing
nagkasa
now.
ride with you.
Ay, siguro mas just niya mag-ride, no? In the ride na lang. Hello, baby! Ayun na, hi! Ayun na, magdalaw pa lang ang balong. Parang may balong. Open, open na rin ang window. Hi! We're open na rin. Let's go by Badula na. For sure, there's a little girl there. Wait, there's another baby there.